It looked like we lost something, but we didn't. We have a bunch of, people call this muck, mainly roots from the surface. By the way, my plan is to put a crane or some type of a device on the bow. I might have to do it this way. But for now, this way should work fine. Now for the goodies.
Oh, nice.
Look at that, huh? And is that white sand? So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the detrital material, the muck, and what we want to do is ultimately it would be nice to have some type of an oxygen sensing meter, but too bad it can't part. I'm not sure that's the order, but you'll see here, this is sand. That's
Sure
the original white sand right there. That's what we want to get down to.
Wow.
That's the original white sand. This is all of the detrital material. And the one thing I want to show you here is maybe it was like this. You see the change in color?
Mm-hmm.
Now this is probably up here too. If you look at the change in color, it went through to a brown, to darker and darker, and then sand. This is probably no oxygen. They call that anoxic, no oxygen. So if we had a meter, we could go in there and measure the oxygen. That's what you don't want, because if you have anoxic occurring here, it affects the life of the plants. It also affects the fish breeding and spawning and reproduction. So you don't want your lakes to go anoxic. But also, this whole, it's hard for water to move down here to get down to the aquifer and leak into the aquifer. The thicker this gets, the worse it gets in terms of feeding the aquifer. There are places...